Yeah. All right. Now, let's cut up this rib roast. And generally, your butchers will take a bandsaw to these things, but you can take your old hickory and you get right down between those bones, and you want to cut a full bone width of these rib steaks right here, just like that. Look at that. Man. Now, I'm sure you know by watching us over the years that rib steaks, ribeye steaks, bone in, no matter what you call it, just about the best eating off of beef you can eat. Take a look at that. Oh, man. And when you buy a roast like this, you're going to save a lot of money, too. So you cut your own steaks out of a rib roast like this. Take a look at that. Oh, baby. We're going to be eating good tonight. And we got a small steak there left for some snacking. Oh, yeah. Are you getting hungry or what? Oh, yeah. All right, now, what we want to do, of course, is season these rib steaks up. You can do it the way you like, but a little good cooking oil, both sides, cover it well, like that. Now, if you know all about preparing steaks, of course, you can use that fast forward button right there in front of you, but yeah, we got the time, like I said. If you got the time, just kick back. Grab a cold one peanut butter sandwich, because we're going to cook these rib steaks on the grill right in front of you. Good. That's it. A little bit of oil. This will give us a nice sear edge when we cook these steaks on the fire. Now, of course, you got to season your steaks. You season them hard. That gives you a texture on the outside of these steaks. You know about that, right? And we're hitting these with SPG. Coat them good. All right. The rib steaks have been seasoned. And now we're going to go direct over medium heat. We're not going to go higher than that because these are thick cut pieces of rib steaks, right? So we want to cook them evenly, kind of slow at first. Then we got our snacking steak. We're just going to wait a little bit, warm it up. Yeah. Put the cover on. Lord have mercy. All right. About 10 minutes has gone by. Let's check on these rib steaks. I'm going to give them a flip. Got a little sear going on. They said we're cooking them as a roast. A little bit of sear mark on there. Yeah. Look at that. Check back in a little bit. All right. Got to check on these steaks. Now we're direct over medium heat. We got a little flame, so we're going to move them indirect for a while because they're rare on the inside. Talking 5-star steakhouse right here. All right. And throw on that snacking steak right there for a little bit. Check back. A few more minutes. All right, I'd say that stacking steak is done. And pull it off the flames. While we're waiting for those rib steaks to cook, we're going to have a little bit of this. Cuts like butter, medium rare. Yes. And of course, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but that's pitmaster privilege. Now we've got some more sides. We got some mushrooms and onions. Yeah. And through the miracle of time, these rib steaks are done. Now, we like to cook ours internally to about 125 to 130 degrees, medium rare. But you cook them the way you want. Now, we're going to take them off the grill and let them rest. And that'll allow all those juices to re-permeate this meat. But you know about that, right? As I said, we'll let them rest 10, 15 minutes. All right. These rib steaks are ready to cut. Take a look at that. This is what it's all about, right? Just like butter. It's not good bone right there. This here would cut with a butter knife. You don't need an old hickory in this one. Look at that. Look great on sandwiches. Yeah. Take a look at these potato bombs. That's it. You stuff them with cheese you like, or whatever you want. Here's one stuffed with those sausages. Perfect size for these rib steaks. Let's cut another one. See how that bacon is wrapped around there? Bacon potato bombs by the BBQ Pit Boys. You definitely gotta check them out. Shake your tail, Feather Martha. Let's shimmy, shake and boogaloo. Shake your tail, Feather Martha. Let's shimmy. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.